Parts of a Scratch software window. A Scratch window is divided into several parts. In this video we will look at these parts and how to use them. Scratch coding is done by combining blocks of commands together. Command blocks are available in this area. A Scratch program is designed in this area by combining the blocks together. This is called as stage. You will see the result of your coding in stage area. This part is used to work with sprites. We can add or remove sprites in our program from this part of the Scratch window. This part is used to change the background of stage area. Green color flag button is used to start the program we have designed. Red color button is used to stop the running program. There are some more areas of the Scratch window which you have not seen in this video. These parts will be explained later when we need to use them.